Hello all, and welcome to this video on PATE examination. We all know the PATE examination is going to be held tomorrow, so we need to prepare a winning strategy so that we clear the examination with a flying color. Now here is the syllabus in front of us for the PATE examination of RTM NU, that is Nagpur University. So this is the syllabus for paper 1. We all know what this time the changes are like. It is going to be section A and section B. Now section A, it comprises of research methodology and general aptitude. We all are aware about it. The overall marks for this examination will be 100, and to clear this examination you will need 50% of the marks, that is 50 marks, because the examination is for 100 marks. Each question will carry 1 mark. There will be 100 questions. So for general category you need to score minimum of 50% to be declared as PATE cleared, and for a reserve category it is going to be 45. Now what should be our winning strategy? How should we plan for the examination? Because again here there is a confusion amongst the participant, because this time the competition is tough. I'm to say we don't have cutoff, but the number of candidates that are appearing this time is very large in number. So first of all, we need not be worrying about that. Section A comprises, as I said, research methodology and general aptitude. Our focus, 40 marks are committed to research methodology only, and this is the detailed syllabus which RTM MNU website has given. Whereas for general aptitude there will be 10 questions which will be from this particular topic, that is analytical reasoning, numerical ability, data interpretation, computer awareness and language competence. So our focus primarily should be on this research methodology, because 40 questions are there, and most of the questions, if we study properly, can be sorted out. These 10 marks are going to be very tricky for everybody, because these are 5 total topics for which these 10 marks are committed. So you can expect 2 questions from each of these particular topics. So you never know what is going to come. Analytical reasoning, I'll be coming to the question bank also, which we have prepared for NET. The same question bank can be utilized for PATE. And section B again will be for 50 multiple choice question, which will be related to your discipline, your faculty, your subject area, and the question will be based on the content of UG program. Now let us go to the syllabus for commerce. This is the syllabus for commerce. In all there are 5 units. Again, as I said, 50 multiple choice question carrying 1 marks each. Each unit shall have 10 multiple choice questions. So here if you study this syllabus in detail, what we can say is the first unit is business and commerce, which is more of a general in nature. It includes marketing, right? It includes more of principles of management, function of business, social responsibilities, right? Here this is type of organization which is principles of management, organizational function. So this is going to be very general in nature. This is about business environment. So this is one. Banking and insurance is one. Income tax and auditing is going to be one, which is again a part of NET syllabus. This also we have covered in our sessions. Business laws, here this is again very important. 2 units are committed, that is unit 4th and unit 5th is committed to laws only. So you have to concentrate more on this. Consumer Protection Act is there, Indian Contract Act 1872 is there, and again 5th unit is entirely devoted to Indian Companies Act 2013. So once we are thorough with our syllabus, our focus should be primarily on these acts, particularly law. 2 units are committed. Then 2 income tax and auditing, and banking and insurance are something related to finance area, I would say. And this is more of a journal in nature. It is more common in nature. This includes many things. So accordingly we have to prepare. And now how to go about it? So for preparing for this particular section A, we have to do what? We have to solve this type of questions. Here we go. These are the question banks which was prepared earlier for NET examination. This is for paper 1. And questions will be something like teaching aptitude, as I said, question will be something like this. Then we have related to teaching aptitude. Then that this is related to research, because paper 1 there is 1 unit committed to research. So you have to solve this particular paper 1 for NET examination, which we have earlier prepared, and this is going to come handy. All you can skip here is just environment is the additional unit which is not included in PATE examination. Rest all question will come very handy for you for practicing for PATE section A. This is all about section A. How to go about section B. Now this is section B, as we have discussed, and these are the units which we have earlier prepared for these things. Yeah, again, research aptitude is part of section A. This again you have to focus, because this is going to carry 40 marks, and questions will be something like this. And we have prepared two large question bank committed to research methodology. So you have to focus more on research methodology from section A. For those 10 marks, you can, this was prepared by Dr. Indu Muzumdar madam for our one of the session on NET examination, but the questions are going to be similar in nature for PATE as well. So solve all these question banks, which we have, the link we have already circulated to all of you. You have to practice this, because we are left with only one day now. So focus on 40 marks, that is research. Then coming to section B, you can focus on questions like this. This is something related to, see, these are 5 units, as I said, in section B. So you have to focus where? This is law. This is again one of the question bank which we have earlier circulated. So this includes Indian Contract Act, which is again part of the syllabus. So you go through all this question bank. This is regarding law. Then you can go through the question banks of marketing management, because that is also one of the syllabus, right? And then you can go through generally like taxation, as I discussed. Let us go through these questions bank. In fact, the NET is a bit slow. Yeah, income tax. As I said, this is again one of the unit. Solve all this. This was prepared by Professor Bhabini Patel ma'am. She has prepared this question bank. It's a huge question bank, and this is going to come handy, right? This is related to taxation. Then we have something related to marketing as well, right? Marketing is there, and business finance is there. So you have to prepare, go through all these question banks, which is very important from the point of, yeah, this is related to banking and financial institution. Again, this is a very good question bank prepared by Chaitanya Sakre sir for our earlier session, and this was prepared for marketing. Yeah, so this are going to come very handy. And because see, there is no question paper available on internet, because the test is computer based, it is online test. The university has not published earlier papers. So what we have to do is just match the syllabus with this particular question banks and practice this. We have circulated the study material also related to all these topics. Marketing management also we have circulated the study material. Go through it again and again, because the questions are going to be similar in nature. This is the confusion I wanted to clear, and this is a winning strategy you have to prepare. Just match the syllabus with the question banks. That is all for this video. Any doubt?